can't see it. I can't do it.
That's coming in your wages!
Stuck there?
They're getting out of the room. Get here, get loads of that, send it on me.
I can't see that fucking tree. Watch Connor, I can't see that tree.
Backhead.
Here we come to save the day.
Put your shirt on!
Oh jeez.
Sean.
It's flooded in there.
Ah, you're too late, you're too late.
You better start running, the cops is coming.
Phone for reinforcement.
Were you lost?
You don't want that Black Mountain.
What is
There's more.
There's a lot more getting stuck. We'll not see the waters that deep. We'll see it. I'll tell you what, they're not going to get the feet wet anyway.
I don't know much that'll cost the fix.
Who's that?
It's
Gale-Star.
What was it?
Gale-Star.
Oh, I am too. Heather.
Yeah, ring it a better phone.
Is it still raining?
No, it's that.
It's really weird.